Hi, this is Jeff from Rokform, and today we're going to show you an unboxing of our all-new Samsung S25 Rugged Cases. So here we have a nice close-up of one of our new rugged cases installed on a Galaxy S25 Ultra. And before we get into how it is on the actual phone, we're going to show you what comes in the box. So we'll just focus on this S25 Ultra for now. And when you open the box, you're gonna see a little description of what everything does, and I'm gonna go through that all with you. Some of the features and benefits. Open it up. You're gonna get a little kind of a instruction card in here, and it tells you about how the different configurations of how you can configure your phone case. So out of the box comes standard with a plug that closes off our lock mechanism, and then we also have a magnetic plug option which we can show you, and also plug removed. So I'll show you all three of those. They're really easy to do, and we'll do it right here on this video. So when we pull the case out of the box, you're going to see the case as it will come. So as this case comes, you can put it right on your phone and you're ready to go to wireless charge, to mount to any magnetic surface, mount to any of our magnetic car mounts. It's ready to go. If you want some extra magnetic strength, or you have some of our legacy car mounts that came out before MagSafe, and you want a perfectly centered car mount application, or you wanted extra strength, let's say on the golf cart, or just a lot of magnetic strength on magnetic surfaces, you would use this magnetic plug. The limitations on this magnetic plug are you're no longer going to be able to wireless charge. You can cable charge. This will also affect the function of the S Pen. So if you're using the S Pen and this plug, you're going to have a dead spot in the middle. So if you like the S Pen, we recommend using the plug that it comes with, or no plug, and you're going to have plenty of magnetic strength, believe me there. Great for the golf cart, for any magnetic surface, any of our magnetic MagSafe compatible car mounts. So how to install this plug is very easy. You're going to open up the clamshell, and it has a big warning sign on there telling you that you won't be able to wireless charge. I use the magnetic plug because I use cable charging. I just find it a little faster, but a lot of people love wireless charging. So if you do, just keep the same plug in there or remove the plug altogether. So all you're gonna do is pop this out from the front, and you flip the case over, and then you're gonna install this plug with the Rokform logo straight on. So that's how it looks like with the magnetic plug. So for the purposes of the video, we're going to take this plug out, and we're going to use our non-magnetic plug and show you the rest of the case. So you'll see a few things on this, and we have the one installed here. First thing you'll notice is that we have plenty of camera protection, so if you do happen to drop your phone, you know your camera is going to be safe. You're also going to see this nice carbon fiber texture. This texture is actually molded into the plastic, it's not printed. So the reason we do this, one, because it looks good, two, it hides any kind of scratches or everyday use and abuse. So this case is pretty much going to look like this as long as you own it. So if you do happen to scratch it, you cannot see the scratches because of this texture that's embedded into the case. You'll also see this extra strength MagSafe compatible magnet. So this will work with any MagSafe compatible accessory. We have a lot of MagSafe accessories and charging, so you can use our suction mount, our tripod mount, our vent mount, swivel mount, charging stand, and our power bank all will work and are compatible with this MagSafe system, including our wallet. Down here, there's going to be three magnets. One is a clocking magnet or index magnet. which indexes MagSafe compatible accessories, and there's 2 magnets on either side. And this is for extra magnetic strength and stability for things like golf carts or gym equipment or anywhere you want to put your phone and have it hands-free. That's what these 3 magnets are for, in addition to the MagSafe. When we flip it over, we'll see the nice microfiber liner that just protects the phone. Also finishes the case off nicely. And when you flip over with the phone installed, you'll see that you get 2 millimeters of screen protection, which is more than most, sometimes 2 to 3 times more than most. And the reason we do this is because we want to keep your phone protected, so if you do drop it, that extra 2 millimeters of screen protection is really going to help. If there is something like sticking out, like a gravel road or something that has a pebble sticking out, and it does happen to hit your screen, we also have screen protectors. So we do recommend using a screen protector, if not ours, someone else's. It's really cheap insurance. No case is going to stop anything from happening to your screen, but a screen protector was 99% of the drops. If it does happen to hit that screen protector, the only thing you're going to do is replace the screen protector. You also notice our buttons here. We have special cutouts, so they're really light and easy to press. Probably easier than even without a phone case. And then on the bottom here, you can see we have the S Pen hole, so you can easily get your S Pen out. Also charging and a lanyard slot, so all of the openings are there for you. One of the questions we get a lot is, does this case wireless charge? And the answer is yes, it does. It works with almost all wireless chargers, including all the ones that I just mentioned that we offer. Also, with the plug out, you can easily use any of our twist lock mounts, like bike mount, motorcycle mount, car mount, section mount, and they easily just twist and lock onto the case. So that is the 2 different ways you can mount, either magnetically, and magnetically would be like on this big metal pole. This could be a piece of gym equipment. This could be a golf cart. This could be a lot of things. So anywhere where you want your phone hands-free, this case will stick to it. Any magnetic surface. Thanks for watching. We hope you love your new Rokform Galaxy S25 Rugged Case. And happy mounting.